But before that, guys, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews. And also, guys, and if you want to download this NBA 2K20, I have a tutorial on this, so I'll put the link down below. Alright, just check it out, guys.
Double cup, big straight, holy nuts. Out of my friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed.
So the Lakers win the tip. And here's LeBron outside. Sinks it. What range from outside. Wow.
Don't take your eyes off of him because he can make plays from multiple spots on the floor. Put the isolated cam on him.
Here's Andre to Kumbo. No good from Bledsoe.
Boy, that's a surprising miss right there. He usually feasts on those wide open opportunities.
Wasted no time on that shot, but it's off the mark. The Lakers on D. It's a three-point game. A chance now to go over to Dorisburg, who had a chance to talk with head coach Mike Budenholzer.
Made a bunch of them.
LeBron with it. And about a minute gone here in the first quarter. And he gets it to go. Here is Brunson. Here's Andre to Kumbo. LeBron grabs the miss. Pass to Davis. Fight the bucket.
And the offense, 3 or 4, a solid start for this game.
Here's Middleton. Just over a minute on play here in this one. LeBron outside. Now here's Bledsoe. Here in the first quarter, about 2 minutes gone by. Tries again. And he was fouled in the way. And the Lakers have possession. 3-point lead. Outside, Green. For the three. Back to run. Pass to Green. Jacks up a three. And here's Bledsoe. Bledsoe left side. Bledsoe left side. Here is Matthews. Takes a three. That was back to LeBron. Now about 3 minutes gone in the first quarter. And the bucket will knock him off down. On the free throw, no good. And fires the three. The shot will not go.
It's still early, but they've started to establish themselves on the glass here.
Defense foul. Pass to Caldwell Pope. Shoots the three. Here's Andre to Kumbo. Now Hill. And this forces the go-ahead basket.
Now, one of his issues is he's a player that just does not excel at fighting through contact on his way to the rim.
Shit.
Yeah, that's out of bounds. Milwaukee will retain possession. Here is Cook. It could go.
Ooh.
At the end of one, a closely contested game so close game. Now starting the second quarter. And taking a look at the Lakers' performance here. What have they been doing or not doing in the game? The Bucks trail. Here's Antetokounmpo. And stolen by Cousins. And it's good.
Isn't going to be able to put up much resistance near the basket.
Here is Cook. Here is Cook. From outside the arc. And again, it's the Lakers from deep. Connaughton. And fouled hard that time. No pick in the line. Second quarter, we're a little over a minute and a half in. Here is Cook. He's got 6. Pass to Bradley from deep. Here's Cousins. Won't let for a while. A chance to do so here.
Boy, they'd love to retake the lead right now.
Here's Antetokounmpo. Here's Kroger. 6 to shoot. Drills it from outside.
A wide open three.
Come on.
They need much better communication defensively.
Here's Cook. Here's Cousins. That drops.
No question about it.
Bledsoe outside.
Napasok.
Rondo with it. He hasn't yet put up any points in this one. Back to Davis. Can't get it to go.
Shit.
Well, if this game comes down to the rebounding battle, they'll be the ones coming out on top.
Bledsoe outside. Pass to Lopez. And here is Bledsoe. Here's Middleton. Here's Matthews. And there's the whistle.
How you said.
For a layup, and while it looked like there was some contact, I wasn't sure they were going to call a foul shot or not, but sure enough they have. So we've got a couple of free throws coming up. He's getting his first. Here's Antetokounmpo. Pass to Lopez. Middleton. From three-point range. He got it up that time, but it wouldn't fall for him. And so we wrap up the first half. And here's Bledsoe. All alone. Green with the rebound.
Most of the time, that shot will go down. Boy, the defenders have to make sure they tag him.
Here's Davis. That's good.
Guys, he's got the length to get to the rim, and when he gets there, you never see a clumsy or awkward finish out of him. Everything is smooth and fluid.
Bledsoe outside. It's stolen by Green. Here's Rondo. Banked in off the glass. The Lakers with the ball. Back to LeBron. LeBron right side. And the shot is good. Pass to Matthew. Back to Bledsoe. Takes the three. Milwaukee. No good that time either.
Been a cold spell for them coming out of the half, missing the first 3 shots. Tough start.
Now here's Rondo. And that one's good. Now Rondo. Now Davis. Right side Davis. From 10 feet out. And so he ends a trip to the line. Officials on the contact. That free throw missing. And the Lakers making a change here. second misses also. Here's Lopez. He's got 6. Bledsoe with it. And he makes 3 on the way.
You know, there's no fear out of him, guys. I mean, going straight to the hoop against a much bigger defender, he's got a lot of heart.
Outside Rondo. Yes, that's LeBron picking up the assist. The fourth quarter now. We're about a minute and a half in. Outside Green. And again, no good by the Lakers. Bledsoe outside. Now Ilyasova. Pass to Middleton. From past the arc. And gets it to go. And that makes it a tie ball game. And we're about 2 minutes into the fourth quarter now. LeBron outside. Launches it. Kuzma. And that one's great. It's stolen by Green. A solo fast break. Jumps up. Down the breakaway slam. Rondo with it. Back to LeBron.
That bucket was absolutely huge. The defensive stop and seal the deal.
Timeout called the Bucks. Here's what you say. Now here's Bledsoe. Bledsoe outside. Here's Antetokounmpo. Can't get the 3 to fall. And they go to the intentional foul. He's got one more though. That's off his rim. So this is low. Here's Middleton.
Sorry ass DJ.